So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. We're going to talk about Declan Rice as if we haven't spoken enough about him on here. And we're going to speak about Ibrahim Diaz or Brahim Diaz. My apologies. Maybe that's his brother. I don't know. But we are going to speak about Brahim Diaz as well. But before we speak about both of them, make sure, I forgot to do the intro again. I keep forgetting the intros. Remind me from now on, if I don't do the intro, oh dear. Just spend, if I don't do the intro on uploaded videos from now on, just spam the comments with you're an idiot or something. I don't know. But anyway, yes, before we get into talking about that, make sure you are sticking a like on the video. One like is one wish for me to use the intro. Make sure you are subscribed to the channel. We are literally 50 away from 77.5K. This channel is flying this year. So is my second channel. Go and check out the video I did about the Tate brothers. Link right underneath the title of the video. Do go and check it out. They've been detained for another 30 days. Go and check out my thoughts on that. Donate to the channel. Hit the thanks option. That would be fantastic. I appreciate that. And yeah, man. Let's talk about this next Lionel Messi. Oh, dear. Listen to this rubbish. Arsenal are rumoured to be interested in taking AC Milan's Lone Star Brahim Diaz to the Emirates this summer, while the Spaniard has been likened to none other than Leo Messi in the past. Really? Who claimed that then? Who said that? Which could make the transfer very exciting. Diaz has previously worked with Mikel Arteta at Manchester City, as the two could be reunited with the Gunners boss looking to bolster the squad for next season. Arteta has seen firsthand the quality of Diaz in forward areas, which prompted Real Madrid to sign him in 2019. However, he struggled to get into the starting lineup. Yeah, because he ain't that good. And is currently in the third year of his loan at AC Milan, while the Serie A club do not have any option to sign him permanently. Excuse me. Arsenal would likely have to negotiate directly with Real Madrid in order to sign the bright 23-year-old. But Corriere dello Sport have claimed that Arteta's outfits, what, the drip, or are we talking about the club, are interested in bringing Diaz to the Emirates to help him live up to the next Messi tag. They don't have dramatized this crap, didn't they? Anyway, while coming up through the Manchester City Academy, his teammate Edward Francis at the time was so impressed that he compared Diaz to the legendary Argentine. Okay, so it was another kid at Man City. Well done. And you've made a whole story out of that we've just read out. He is strong with his left foot and right foot. He's definitely a big player for us. But that was back in 2017. Yeah, he's that good. Nobody knows who he is. Take a bow. Who wrote that? Let's see who wrote that. Jack McEachin. You today, my friend, are Muppet of the Day. Literally, Muppet of the Day. Load of rubbish. We're not signing him. Not interested in him. Nobody's even spoke to him. Nobody spoke to his agent. Nobody spoke to any representatives of his. Nobody spoke to a third-party ownership of his, if there is one. Nobody has spoken to Real Madrid about it. Nobody has spoken to anybody about it. Made-up story. Slow news day. Boring. And let's take something from a 17-year-old from 6 years ago and use it as a brand new story today. Put Messi's name in it. Bish, bash, bosh. Everyone's talking about it. These journalists have got to be the biggest melts on the planet. Honestly. What is the matter with these people? I don't understand how they're nicking a living, these people. Like, it's actually insane when you think about it. It really is. Like, this guy writes for the Express. Like, it's pathetic. The headline on that, Arsenal could sign their own Leo Messi with Edu sowing seed for summer transfer. They didn't even mention Edu at all in this article. Oh, my days. Stop listening to these people. This is why I'm here to do transfer news, because these people chat breeze. I'm here to dissect their breeze. I know what they're doing. Anyway, let me know your thoughts on Brahim Diaz. Let me know your thoughts on Ibrahim Diaz, his brother. Make sure you smash the like button while you're here. Don't forget the second channel as well. Come on, people. That channel's flying. It's nearly on 10K. Well, it's nearly on 9K. But make sure you check it out. But yeah, let's talk about Declan Rice, because we haven't spoken enough about Declan Rice. It seems like forever since I last mentioned Declan Rice. Again, DiMarzio coming out. That outlets that nobody really thinks is that, nailed on their head, but it's got millions of followers. So we're following him and back it anyway. That's the guy, DiMarzio. Well, anyway, he's got Arsenal red alert. Quick, buckle up, put your seatbelts on. We're going to be in for a bumpy ride in the summer transfer window when it opens. If Chelsea get wind that Declan Rice is close to Arsenal, they may swoop and steal him away. And we know they can pay the money. What a load of rubbish. Who are these people? Who is he? Who is he? If you know, you know. It's a load of rubbish. We are not signing Declan Rice. I keep telling you people this. But he's given his word to Arsenal. No, he hasn't. I guarantee he has not spoken to Mikel Arteta. Guarantee he ain't. I'm just sticking it out there. If he signs, I said this the other day, I'll buy a Rice and whatever number shirt he has. I'll buy one. Yeah, he ain't signing for Arsenal. And DiMarzio sticking out to 2 million followers that Chelsea could swoop in and try and snub the deal from Arsenal and start. Oh, shut up, mate. Like, these people are bored. Like, real talk. They wake up in the morning and they think, who can we wind up today? Oh, I know, Arsenal fans are muppets. We'll wind them up. They'll believe anything. And they've been, oh, look, and all the comments on it, oh, Chelsea, look, they start, they nick all our players. They took Mudryk. What a load of rubbish. Yeah. It's just embarrassing, mate. It is embarrassing. Anyone nowadays genuinely can be a journalist. It's that easy. It really is. And maybe I should just call myself a journalist from now on. Maybe we should all do that. Yeah, it's pathetic. Like, some of the stories I see, some of the headlines I see about this Nonto the other day as well. Like, come on, really? Like, it's ridiculous. It's actually ridiculous. Who is the lead star? Wilfried Gnonto. What do you mean lead star? He's got 2 goals, mate. He's got 2 goals all season. But because he can run fast and he's 19 and he's Italian, that's it. He's a star now. What are you talking about, star? Get in the bin. What's the matter with these people? It's mad. Roy Keane urges everyone to calm down as Leeds United hero Willy Gnonto is compared to 2 Premier League legends. Roy Keane gets it. Who are the legends he was linked to? The guy scored 2 goals. This is how easily people get linked to, like, superstar players. Who are the legends? Who are the legends? Let's have a look. Here we go. Let's see what Roy Keane said. 2 goals, Sarah had Roy Keane piling on praise, comparing the second goal, former teammate. The top strikers seem to always put it between the goalkeeper's legs, Keane told ITV. They hit it early and a back across the keeper. Ole Gunnar Solskjaer used to do that all the time. Ole is obviously one of the greatest finishers of all time. His fellow pundit, Robert Earnshaw, was also impressed. I was watching the game against Villa, and the way he plays, the more I see him, the more impressive he is. I like what it is about him. He's got good intelligence. He has the right way to pass. He sees things. He pops it off when he needs to. You don't overdo it, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, who's he linking? Oh, my days. Paolo Di Canio. Nah, get in the bin. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're finished. Football's done. Dusted. Finito. Di Canio. Okay. What? Because they're both Italian, maybe? Because that's about the only similarity. Like, get in the fucking bin. What is the matter with these people, man? These people are weird. Anyway, we're going to wrap this up before I lose the plot. I'm going to go and enjoy the sunshine. It's 31 degrees, scorching weather in Spain today. So make sure you are liking the show. That would be great. Sub to the channel. Sub to the second channel. Go and check out the video on the second channel. Let's get that channel popping, people. And I do appreciate everyone who has already gone over there. Like I said, the last video was about the Tate brothers being detained for an extra 30 days until the end of April. So go and check out my thoughts on that. And make sure, if you want to leave a donation, hit the thanks option. Much obliged. We do appreciate that. We will reply to all of you. And I'll be back again tomorrow. Not sure what time, but probably around the same sort of time as the first video I dropped today. So about 2-3 o'clock in the afternoon. Then I'll have a second video out about this time tomorrow night as well. Kind of bored waiting for the football to come back. Ain't interested in international football. It is what it is. There's nothing we can do about it. This is unfortunately what happens. But I cried about that in the last video, so I'm going to cry about it again. So you all have a blessed weekend. I'll be back again tomorrow. We're out. Ciao.